another great fair that you guys can definitely head to. They do a lot of different wholesale markets there where you can buy small quantities. Definitely something to check out. You can actually, with these particular products, you can actually rent a container while you are there. So yeah, there's a lot of options. We're just going past on our way to the China Import-Export Fair Conference. The exhibition centre, a lot of construction as you can sort of see. This is the new China, and we're arriving shortly. But yeah, definitely if you guys are in China, definitely head over here because they do a lot of great products and they're wholesale quantities, which means you can buy 5 or 10 if you want, or 100, very small quantities. And here we are, the Canton Fair. Driving up now, past the security checkpoint. Lots of buses, look at that. Massive amount of people heading to the Canton Fair. 200,000 people. We've got people who just park cars for the day. That's all they do, they just park cars. And here we are, in the distance. Here you got the drink bottles, which is awesome. What I do like is these paw cleaners, and these are actually quite nice for dogs. And you put the paw in here, and you can actually clean it. Put a bit of water at the bottom there, and you up and down, and you can actually clean the dirty dog paws. So actually got a big one here as well, which doubles back as a brush. And here's a good one as well. These are actually quite trending right now on Amazon. And I believe these are dog bowls. These are actually quite unique. They're relatively new, low MOQs.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And what's in the other?
This is
Food bag.
Poo bag.
Right.
What's the MOQ on?
Where are you from?
Australia?
Australia.
Interesting product. Automatic braking, manual brake. That's interesting.
Oh, okay.
Never seen this particular product before.
What's the product price?
Another new product here, retractable dog leashes. Now they've been on the market for a while, but the ones that I've seen, the fancy ones we've got over here, are the unique ones. No pull series, auto brake, shock absorbing. Example of very seasonal products. Quite interesting though, I like these. Santa stop here. Possibly, if they have these in stock already, you can jump on them and start listing them fast if they have them in stock. So you order 300-400.
See these?
That's nice.
This is usually bleached. I think this one.
It's bleached.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, well, you got to make sure it's
Some
not bleached.
people
Yeah.
don't like it. I wouldn't buy them.
No. I like these though, the bundled kits, the stockings. Yeah, they look quite nice. These, that is huge. It's like something out of Fred Flintstone. What is this? This is, I've already been here before. First day at the Canton Fair, and it's been incredible. Found a whole bunch of new products. This is what it actually looks like inside. It's huge. These are just pet products. Pet products after pet products after pet products. So many new products. So many new ones I've seen. I've seen at least about 7 or 8 products that I've never seen before. And I've been in the market for a while. I kind of know a little bit about some of these products, and brand new. And this is just day 1. Taking a lot of photos, and I'll update you guys shortly. Interesting product. So this is for your water bottle. This is for the poo bags or iPhone. Put your iPhone in there, which is nice. Put your extra leash in there. And this is where you attach the dog, so you can actually run and have the dog. And the different colors. This is the best selling color. But you've got another color here. That's a nice color there. Oh, there you go. Thank you. And that's the other color as well. Right.
This one is too big. I
Yeah.
also think so.
Too big, yeah.
Mm.
Like I like one about half that size. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
It's
yeah.
huge.
So,
Almost. Why is it so big?
It's too big.
That is a nice crocodile.
yeah, I like it. I like it.
And this one, yours.
Oh, she claps it down. Oh, right, okay. That's pretty cool. All that space these days, isn't it?
And is this washable? That's washable, yeah?
Yes, this one, the cover is the mat is washable, but not this one.
No.
Yeah,
Beautiful
actually,
products here. Take the car. This is something different. You don't see this on the market every day. These are front seat covers. These are the back seat covers. Most of them are pretty flimsy material and cheap and black, but this is actually a felt reinforced leather up here, strong for straps. And what I love about this particular product is it comes well packaged in these beautiful little boxes here. It's quite trending, perfect for Christmas. Beautiful. So you don't need to worry about customized packaging, it's all done for you. Interesting products. Buttons.
It's a pigment design.
You got the nut one here. Very unique designs actually. So it comes there. It's quality actually. Click lock. Click lock. Just got your cutlery in here. Nice and neat. Then you got the double layer.
You can fill this with hot water and then it will be...
Okay, so full of hot water and it keeps you
Just,
warm.
yeah, or just use like this.
Yeah, right.
It's easy to clean.
Easy to clean. Okay, that's interesting. Day one of the Canton Fair, and it has been incredible. So many new products. This is the massive hall. I don't know if you can see that. There's pretty much no end at all. It just goes on and on and on. There's actually 4 McDonald's restaurants here. It's that busy, and you can't order a Big Mac and fries. It's like you've got 4 options, and they're sold as packs because there's literally so many people here. If you like McDonald's, you know, so many people here that just order the packs, but it's just insane. These aren't even booths. These are just, they're separate suppliers, but the main booths are actually in the other area. And we've probably looked at took us 3 hours just for the pet section, which had only 80 exhibitors. Took us nearly 3, maybe even 4 hours to go through that, and it was the smallest part of the fair. It took us 4 hours. Lots of new products. I'll keep you guys updated. See you soon. Here we are in the main hall. It's lunchtime and everyone's off to lunch. Massive amount of people here. And I've lost my map. But you really can't see any end to the hall. All you see is just people. 200,000 people. And on top of that, it's like 35-degree heat here, which is bloody hot. But they've got these things in the background here which keep it nice and cold. Because of the sheer amount of walking that you do, you can actually take these shuttles. You can line up over here and it'll take you pretty much to the Western Hotel. And you can just take these back little shuttles. It'll save you probably about 30 minutes walking. This guy must have so many people annoying him every day. And there's nothing is different to how we normally do research when I'm looking around trying to find suppliers and products. I ask him exactly, these are the questions I ask him. I ask him, what is the MOQ? What is the cost price per unit? They'll usually say MOQ is 1,000 units, you're typically 500 units. Then you typically ask, what is the MOQ for a small run, test run, small order, those types of terminology, and usually they can do about 200 units. Right there, 200, 300 units is pretty normal here. You ask what the cost price per unit is, you ask what are the latest new products, you ask them things like, how long has this been on the market for? Is this currently on Amazon? I mean, sometimes they don't know that. What you normally do is you just collate the data, you brainstorm the data, and then when you get back to your hotel at night, you typically would be doing the research. You would be finding out whether or not this is a product that you want to jump onto. But that normally happens when you go home and back to your hotel. You find out, you run the numbers, what's the turnover? You know, how many people are selling this product on Amazon? You know, what are the reviews like? You do. I mean, you got internet access here, but your time is best spent walking, talking to people, looking at new products, filming as much products as you possibly can. Right. If you want to eat lunch at 12 p.m., you're literally going to have lines out of the door, literally. And if you want to eat lunch at, what is it, 1 o'clock, 1:50 for 2 o'clock lunch, look at this, no lines at all, nothing. Little hack there, never eat at lunchtime. So this is actually a nice restaurant. I love Lucky Pot. I've had this once, I think it's the last tour. I normally I go down to some of these other ones. There's so much to choose from. There's not a lot of Western food here. It's a lot of really just Chinese food.
I've been to Canton Fair, and I got some good samples here. So you can actually get samples of products. Look at this one, and that's the packaging, where it comes from.
Yeah, that's nice.
Firm abs. You want to have a body like mine, you're going to use this. Good.
I like it.
Yeah, you like it? And this is to make it beautiful. And these are all samples you can actually get at the shop. So you can get samples right here.
Yeah.
Not every store, but has samples. These got the samples.
Well, if you wait till the last day, they give you samples for free. Some of them do. You gotta wait till the last day.
I'm not waiting. I want it today. So I can test it for them. Oh, they're saying 1,000.
1,000 is too much.
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah.
never buy that. No. I buy 50, 100.
Yeah, 50 and 100 is okay.
That's how you start.
So a new friend, she exports to America.
Hi.
Ni hao.
Thank you.
Give us some advice, which is fantastic.
We do also training on how to sell on Amazon and how to find
One
products.
thing I like about these is awesome packaging. Really nice
What sort of
packaging.
products do your friends sell?
How much is your friend say? My friend said in America and Germany.
I think it's all up about 175 bucks or 100 bucks or something.
Hair accessories?
Yeah, jewelry.
Or jewelry, okay. On Amazon.
Again, the pancake. Oh, look at this. Fry it up. This is lunch.
这个榴莲，下一个牛肉。
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, nice does that look?
我都收票了。
He's got clean hands, of course. I am fake. Ah. London leather. It's quite nice. Furniture not for sale on Amazon, that's for sure. But nonetheless, good product, good quality product. Seasonal products, probably not the best products. You only make money 2 months of the year. Christmas. We're in the homeware section here. Backpack.
This is two different material. This is the craft paper.
That's different paper.
This paper is cheap.
Okay.
And this one is this material is better. See, this material is washable. You can put in the washing machine.
So you can
This
wash
one
this
is
in the washing
not
machine.
a washable.
So these are backpacks. They sell in America. They sell in America and Europe. They love it. And it's made of paper. It's a bestseller.
About $1.4.
$1.4. Okay, I'll make that note. New product. It's a LED light organizer with a suction cap, so you're going to fix to the wall and you can see yourself. Sort of like, yeah, that's me. But it's a quite interesting product. So, it's touch screen. And then, where's the other thing? Where's the other thing? Ah, right, magnetic. That's really interesting. And this is a brand new product.
Yes, and it's rechargeable.
And rechargeable via USB.
By USB.
By USB, yeah, okay. Hey, so we've just discovered this is a great bundling option for this particular product. They've been selling it, and they've got clients, Disney and Dunkin' Donuts, and have a look at the range actually. Have a look at the range over there. Huge range. And this is a wine bottle, stainless steel?
Yes.
Yeah, right. And they're bundling it up, especially for an Australian client, but it's a great idea. Bundle it up with a wine glass as well. So it comes with a bottle, wine cup, 2 wine cups.
Yes.
And it's travel, so there's no spill. So you get drunk, you go, don't go anywhere, all right. Bundling. Here we are.
Now we might get in the...
Yeah, it's a fair ending.